The Feker Alice98 Mechanical Keyboard boasts an ergonomic design with an Alice layout and numpad, ensuring both comfort and versatility for long typing sessions. With VIA programmability, this keyboard allows for extensive customization, enabling users to remap keys and create macros tailored to their specific needs. A gasket mount structure and PC plate contribute to a soft, consistent typing feel, while multiple layers of sound-improving materials enhance the typing experience. Featuring south-facing RGB LEDs, the keyboard offers 21 customizable lighting effects and a hotswappable PCB for easy switch modifications. The cherry profile die sublimation PBT keycaps are durable and wear-resistant, maintaining a comfortable typing experience without becoming oily. The inclusion of a media control knob and support for NKRO ensures that the Feker Alice98 is both functional and efficient for gaming and professional use.